My life motto has always been that it's better to stand out than to blend in, especially when you're attending open for inspections. Darlings, take heed from moi, Karen, the Queen of Rentals. Here are my hard and fast rules on how to nail an open for inspection. Be on time, or better yet, be early, just to show that you're serious. Be realistic. Attend rentals that are within your budget. It'll save you and the agent a lot of time.
Look neat and tidy. The agent wants to know that you'll keep the property in the exact same order. Think brunch with the in-laws for the first time. No arseless chaps.
Be polite and butter them up. Introduce yourself to the agent and let them know if the property is right for you. Be a detective when inspecting the property. Check locks on windows, doors, gates and garages. Scope out the heating and cooling systems. Is there enough storage for all of your wigs? Be keen. If you like the home, jump on it. Take the agent's card and ask them how you can apply. Go home and apply at the speed of flashing disco lights.
Like the great philosophers say, it's all about the art of the deal. Lean in, smile with confidence, and pretend you know about direct debiting systems.